Over the past several years, market research has shown the increasing use of composite matting on a variety of projects and applications, including being used to create temporary roads and work pads in challenging environments.
Composite mat is an engineered high-performance thermoplastic work platform. They're designed to interlock with each other to form a contiguous, structurally sound work surface. They provide protection for workers and equipment in all soil conditions. The use of the technology has been expanding as more people have been getting exposed to it. Its safety, its transportation efficiency, its durability, and of course it's their environmental credentials. And the more they use it, the more they want to continue to use it and displace old technologies like stone and timber.
Traditional timber ground protection mats are made from old-growth hardwoods, which take more than 30 years to grow to maturity. Once a timber mat is put into service, it can last up to 3 years. With hardwood forests becoming scarcer, the traditional timber mat is not a sustainable option.
The issues associated with timber mat products would be first, safety. Timber mats are made of a natural product that is prone to rotting, which will compromise its structural integrity. It can splinter. It has nails in it. Both of those things can create safety issues for workers and equipment. They don't lock together, which as they pivot can cause issues for workers and the equipment. Second is efficiency. Timber mats weigh about 3 times for the same square footage as a composite mat, which means you need to use 3 times the amount of trucking to get it to and from site. That obviously has impacts on CO2 emissions and community disruption with trucks running through our local communities. And the third is the environmental credential. Timber mats are naturally porous. They're prone to taking invasive species from site to site with them. By comparison, a thermoplastic mat is 100% sealed and doesn't suffer for any of those issues or concerns.
As a result, many companies have been making the switch to products and solutions that are more sustainable.
Air Liquide has embarked on a carbon emissions program where we are trying to reduce our carbon emissions by 30% by year 2025. And we are looking at all manner of opportunities to reduce those emissions and reduce that carbon footprint. The use of advanced composite mats provides many benefits to Air Liquide. Those benefits include the ability to carry up to 48 mats on a single truck, the ability to cover 8 linear feet instead of 4 linear feet per mat laid, the ability to remove greater than 30% of our carbon emissions by reducing the number of trucks that we need to bring to the site. We also reduce the amount of equipment needed to set the mats. We reduce the amount of time that it takes to set the mats, reducing machinery costs, machinery emissions, crew costs, and time on the right-of-way. In timber mats, they reach the end of their life. You throw it away. It's burned or mulched or whatever, but it's gone. It's done. In an advanced composite mat, you're able to take that mat, recycle it, make a new mat, and use it over and over and over. So that really contributes to all of the goals that Air Liquide has set forth for our reduction of carbon footprint, reduction of our impact on the environment as we lay these projects. It's truly a benefit all the way around.
Providing a safe, cost-effective surface for year-round, all-weather performance, DURA-BASE advanced composite mats by New Park Mats and Integrated Services are a long-term, sustainable solution.
New Park Mats and Integrated Services is the largest, most experienced provider of heavy-duty composite matting systems in the world. The DURA-BASE system has been in the market now for over 20 years. It provides a safe, cost-effective surface for all-round weather performance. We've deployed this mat for some of the largest global infrastructure projects in oil and gas, transmission and distribution and pipeline. It operates in all temperatures, in all terrain environments, and frankly, it's proven itself over and over again in every application.
Engineered using high-performance thermoplastic by New Park's team of experienced technicians, DURA-BASE provides a tough, field-proven, and protective surface that can be used for any application requiring access to special environments.
The DURA-BASE mat is a mat manufactured out of high-performance thermoplastics. The mat works in a system. The systems are interlocked together to provide a work platform or access road into environments where ground stabilization is important. Every application is different. The versatility of the mat allows the end user to do what they need to do to perform their service in any industry they're in, whether that's oil and gas industry or movie industry, construction industry, pipeline industry, through any application where ground stabilization is important.
High-density polyethylene allows the mat to bend without breaking, while providing tremendous strength and resiliency.
The design of the product, where the mat's pinned together, gives it some flexibility. The raw materials that we use, which is high-density polyethylene, allows the mat to bend without breaking and also conform to the contours of the ground.
As a 100% recyclable, low-cost, environmentally friendly ground protection solution, more than 20 different industries currently rely on composite matting for temporary roads or working platforms.
Once a mat is reached its end of life, we take it back here to our facility. It goes through a regrind and a repelletization process, and then we introduce those raw materials back into our manufacturing process to make a new mat. The mats are 100% recyclable. They can be used an infinite amount of times and keep the same performance as that original DURA-BASE mat. We see it every day. We see more industries going to more sustainable products. Some are making a shift due to regulations, but many are doing it because it's the right thing to do for the environment. This is only going to create increased demand in the future for this type of product and technology.
For more information, visit newpark.com.